All eyes turned to Wall Street Monday morning as investors brace for the fallout from the downgrade of U.S. credit. Stocks lost nearly $1 trillion in value last week. That was before Standard & Poor's cut America's credit rating for the first time in history. And the head of the agency's ratings committee said today, if the U.S. doesn't clean up its fiscal act, it could be downgraded again within 6 months.
The outlook indicates at least a 1 in 3 chance of a downgrade over that period.
S&P has blamed partisan bickering in part in Washington for its decision, but as Whit Johnson reports, the bickering continued today.
This administration is failing.
Following America's credit downgrade, more bickering. Democrats and Republicans picking their targets.
This is a Tea Party problem. I think they've been smoking some of that tea, not just drinking it.
This president has failed to lead in any other private sector enterprise. He would be fired.
Partisan shots after a roller coaster week of economic news. Monday, Congress raises the debt ceiling, averting a potential government default. Thursday, the Dow plunges 500 points. Friday, a better than expected jobs report. Unemployment dips to 9.1%. Then Friday night, America's credit downgrade to AA+ for the first time ever.
Our urgent mission has to be getting this economy growing faster and creating more jobs.
Back from a weekend at Camp David, President Obama has a jobs-making to-do list for lawmakers when they return from recess. Pass a set of trade agreements with South Korea, Colombia, and Panama that he claims would create 70,000 new jobs. Approve a highway transportation bill, putting construction workers back on the job. And move on a new tax credit encouraging companies to hire veterans. But recently, Congress has focused more on spending cuts than investing in the workforce. And there's little sign of common ground, with the rhetoric growing louder.
There is dysfunction in our system, and a lot of it has to do with the failure of the President of the United States.
I believe this is, without question, the Tea Party downgrade.
One battle with Congress President Obama won't have to fight is choosing a successor for Treasury Secretary Tim Geithner, who is rumored to be leaving. This afternoon, the White House announced Geithner is staying through the 2012 election. Anthony?
Whit Johnson at the White House. Thanks, Whit.